Good morning, Valley Center. It's beautiful Wednesday here at VCHS. We're your host, Cooper.
And I'm Madison. Let's start off with today's lunch. Today we will be having biscuits and gravy with beef sticks, tri-taters, juice blends, strawberries and bananas, and cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
My name is Deacon, and here are your top 5 news stories. Number 1, National Weather Service issues Alaska's first ever heat advisory. Number 2, safety experts recommending more safety changes for Boeing 737 MAX airplanes to prevent smoke in planes. Number 3, the U.S. plans to open Fly Factory in Texas to fight flesh-eating parasites. Number 4, Dam Jam Summer Music Festival canceled this summer. Number 5, Microsoft to eliminate blue screen of death with computer crashes.
Next, here is today's word and quote of the day.
Word of the week. This week's word of the week is pragmatic. Dealing with things sensible and realistically in a way that is based on practical rather than theoretical considerations.
It is not a vessel to be filled, but a fire to be ignited. Planchard?
Now let's hear some senior advice.
My senior advice is do not procrastinate and don't put off your work till the very last second, like I did.
Do your homework.
Just to have fun.
Is do your work when it's given to you instead of pushing it off.
Actually pay attention to your grades because they do matter.
Be yourself. Don't let anyone say that you can't be yourself.
Okay, so my best senior advice is to get the parking spot that you want and make it a really good parking spot.
My advice is to just have fun.
Is be you.
This is to go to every event, make everything count, and just, yeah.
Valley Center High School Prom Committee open to all juniors. If you're interested in being on this year's prom committee, please pick up an application from Miss Layton or Miss Cooper. All applications due by September 12th.
Let's move on to the best part of VCHS.
Sydney Riffle, and I'm looking forward to graduating.
Hi, I'm Kennedy McElroy, and what I'm most excited for next year is to be Cavella's TA and to be a senior.
Sports. Next year, I'm looking forward to senior release and playing tennis.
This is Gio Miller again. I'm ready for another great year of esports and getting to know those guys and all my other activities.
It's the hottest day of the week. Let's take a look at today's temperatures.
Hi, my name is Emily, and today's high is 92 and our low is 67.
And now it's time for a quick blast to the past. We leave you with this day in history.
Stay classy, VC.
August 20th, 1998. American cruise missiles pound alleged al-Qaeda training camps in Afghanistan and a pharmaceutical plant in Sudan. The attacks are a retaliatory strike after the deadly bombings of 2 U.S. embassies in East Africa just weeks earlier. President Bill Clinton.
There will be no sanctuary for terrorists.
we will defend our people, our interests, and our values.
1968. During the Cold War, the Soviet Union and its Warsaw Pact allies in Eastern Europe invade Czechoslovakia. The invasion brutally crushes the Prague Spring reforms by Czech communist leaders to allow greater political freedom. 1977. NASA launches Voyager 2, first of 2 unmanned American space probes to travel to the outer solar system and beyond. 1942.
Who is a man that would risk his neck for his brother man? Can you dig it?
Singer-songwriter Isaac Hayes is born in Covington, Tennessee. He's best known for the theme from Shaft, and in more recent years, the voice of Chef on TV's South Park. In 1948, singer Robert Plant, former frontman of the rock group Led Zeppelin, is born in West Bromwich, England. Today in history, August 20th. Camille Bohannon, The Associated Press.